Hi, I'm Stephanie Buelna, and I'd like to talk to you today about portion sizes. In this class, we're going to identify a serving size from each food group and list one easy way to determine a serving size of a food. Did you know that serving size have increased over the years? One example that's pretty shocking is that fast food hamburgers have actually tripled in size since the 1950s. However, what is considered a serving has not increased, so it's easy to see why it's hard to manage our weight when the serving sizes may be a little bit unrealistic. So let's look at what a serving is. First, for grains. Grains are our breads, our pastas, our tortillas, and our cereals, and a serving of grain is 1 ounce. For the average adult on a 2,000 calorie diet, we would be allowed 6 servings a day, or 6 ounces of grains, and kids age 1 to 5, 2 to 4 ounces per day. So what is a 1 ounce serving? A 1 ounce serving is a half a cup of cooked pasta, and you would want to measure that out to see what a half a cup of cooked pasta would look like. A half a cup of cooked rice, or half a cup of cooked cereal such as oatmeal. 1 slice of bread is also equal to a 1 ounce serving. 1 small tortilla, which is a 6-inch diameter. Many tortillas are larger than that, so you do want to look at the size. 3 cups of popped popcorn, 1 cup of ready-to-eat cereal. I have a quick video for you on a way that you can actually eyeball serving sizes of grains at home.
I'm Stephanie Buelna. I'm a registered dietitian. Today I wanted to talk to you about portion sizes of grains. One grain is cereal. Now I was going to talk to you about grains, your portion sizes at home. So
Alright, now let's look at what a serving size of dairy is. A serving of dairy is 1 cup. The recommendation for kids is age 1 to 5 is 2 to 3 cups, adults 3 cups. So a cup is just equal to a cup of milk, 8 ounces of milk, or 8 ounces of yogurt. Now keep in mind that most yogurts are not 8 ounces. The Yoplait ones are 6. Most kid-size yogurts are 2 to 4 ounces. 1.5 ounces of hard cheese, such as cheddar, mozzarella, Swiss, or Parmesan. A 1/3 cup of shredded cheese. 2 cups of cottage cheese would be equal in calcium to a cup of milk, so it'd be really hard to eat enough cottage cheese to equal a cup of milk in calcium. Or a cup of calcium fortified soy milk is the same calcium content as a cup of milk. For protein, we're looking at ounce equivalents. So if you don't have a food scale, you can actually compare to the palm of your hand or a deck of cards. For the average woman, the palm of your hand is about 3 ounces. For the average man, about 4. Kids ages 2 to 5 need 2 to 4 ounces daily. Adults, 5 to 6.5 ounces daily. An ounce is just ounce per ounce. An ounce of cooked lean beef, chicken, turkey, pork, or fish. 1 egg is equal to 1 ounce of protein. A 1/2 ounce of nuts, which is about 12 almonds, 24 pistachios, or 7 walnut halves. A 1/2 ounce of seeds, such as pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or squash seeds. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter is equal to 1 ounce of protein. 1/4 cup of cooked beans, such as black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, or white beans, and about 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of tofu would be equal to 1 ounce of protein. Fruit is cup for cup, so if you measure out a cup of fresh, frozen, or canned, it is 1 cup of fruit servings. For kids, they need 1 to 1.5 cups daily, kids ages 1 to 5, and adults about 2 cups daily. 1 cup of 100% fruit juice, it does need to be 100% to count, would also be equal to a cup of fruit. Or you could look at about 1/2 of a large apple, 1/4 cup of dried fruit, because the water has been taken out, you do get less. 1 large banana or 1 large orange. For vegetables, same cup for cup. Cup of fresh, frozen, or canned vegetables is equal to a cup of vegetables. For kids ages 1 to 5, they should be getting 1 to 1.5 cups daily. Adults, 2.5 to 3 cups. Now, keep in mind with your salads or your raw leafy greens, lettuce, spinach, romaine, endive, those actually 2 cups would be equal to 1 cup of vegetables. You could also do a cup of tomato juice as equal to 1 cup of vegetables, or 1 large tomato. Those are some tips on portion sizes for you. Please head up to the clerks to get your benefits issued now if you've not already done so.